kum ka jingile ban Pynsaphriang Jingtip apa dan kipat ba Halor ka Jingtip Jingsniew Jong ka Jingdih Drok kipulet ka ribhoy ne ka si gila penlong ka rali Thuk ka balazdang na nong po batla penkut pat halat saw yam ya ka ni ka rali jong ki Thuk la ka we lama do Deputy Commissioner ka ribhoy u arpit opadia hat na nong po ringkat ka jingwani shimbenta jong ki nong nya Thuk ban Pynsaphriang Jingtip ikipat ba Halor ka Jingsniew Jong Drok u Deputy Commissioner ka ribhoy u arpit upadia ulaya ro ikatanat pulit ka bala penlong kini ke program na ka boong baka day ka mat ka bakta bahai ka imlang saalang bat ka ba day banya kun persya knang banyada yaki kun samla.
This is a very serious and sensitive issue, and I think the office of SP Riboi has taken a very good step in organizing this event to create the awareness on how to prevent this kind of this menace and how to improve the situation with regard to the use of drugs and psychotropic substances, and also that it's a very this problem requires a solution from all the sides, from all the stakeholders of the society, and in this way our bike rally, this event will go a long way in public outreach and in creating awareness regarding this sensitive issue.